Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the vehicle and gathering tools. This keeps you safe and prevents new damage. First, wipe external lens with a dry microfiber to remove surface grime, then blow compressed air into the gap to push out loose moisture. Once done, use a flashlight and small screwdriver to inspect the housing seam for cracked seals or loose fasteners. You want to find the path water used to enter because sealing that path is the key to a lasting fix. You now open the housing to access the fogged lens, taking pictures with your phone so reassembly is straightforward. Carefully remove the camera module, then dry internals with low heat. Hold a hairdryer 12 to 18 inches away and move continuously for 2 to 3 minutes to avoid overheating. After drying, apply 70% isopropyl along the lens edge and gasket to evaporate remaining moisture and clean residues. Make sure to avoid saturating connectors and let the parts air for several minutes before reassembling. You reassemble by seating the gasket properly and tightening screws just enough to compress the seal. Over-tightening can crack plastic. If you found seal failure, apply a thin bead of automotive-grade silicone along the seam and smooth it. Allow cure time specified on the tube. Then power on and test the camera feed while observing for glare or residual haze. If fog returns, place a small desiccant pack in the housing or replace the camera module. If image fails, check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.